Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, happy new year. It is officially 2020. That's so freaking crazy. I cannot believe a decade has already ended and now we are at 2020. Oh my goodness. So I know I haven't posted in like 2 months, but I was just crazy busy with prepping for the wedding and getting everything organized, but I am back and I have really good goals for this year, and one of them is to really build up my YouTube channel. So I know I'm at 257 subscribers right now, so let's hopefully get it up to 300 by the end of this month. But I do want to say thank you so much for the people who have already subscribed and who have left so many sweet comments, who have messaged me. I am truly so grateful from the bottom of my heart, and I think it's just amazing that I'm able to connect with so many people. For today's video, a lot of you guys requested that you guys wanted to see an apartment tour, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to be showing you how we decorated our apartment and how we furnished it as newlyweds, of course. So I'm going to be showing you around our kitchen, our living room. We do live in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, so I'll be showing you both restrooms and then both rooms as well. So if you're interested to see how we decorated it, go ahead and just keep on watching. You come in through this way. So on this side, we just have our like mail thing. So we have our inbox and then our outbox. Walking into the living room, here's like an overview. So starting here, we got these black lamps from Target. And on the first one, I just put our Alexa, and then I put our candle, and then pictures of us two from more like younger. That was my quinceañera, and then that was like Christmas. And then we have a little camera for our dog. Whenever we leave, we like to like watch her, make sure everything's okay. And then we just have our TV, and then our sound bar, and then this, we got it from Wayfair. I believe it was really cheap. And we got another Target lamp. And then here we have another candle. We are huge candle people. And then, let's see if you can see this. Yeah, I gave Jesus for our first anniversary. It's a picture of us, and he's like in love with like globes. So we have that. And then these are some like pictures from our engagement shoot that we took. So we do have this long like L-shaped couch that we got from Bob's Furniture. It was a really good price. So we knew we wanted a big couch, and I wanted to be like an L shape, so we got this one. And then I just have a throw blanket on there, and then we have 3 pillows on each side, and then on top of it we have some of our wedding pictures. And then we got this little like decor from Target, and then we have another wedding picture up there. I wasn't sure what to put up there. I knew it's been empty for like the longest time, but I just figured we'll put our wedding pictures up there since we just got married. And as our like center table, we just got this white centerpiece from Wayfair. And on top, I just put this like brown design that I got from TJ Maxx. And then I just put 2 white books. I just took off the cover and I flipped it inside out so it can be all just white. And then I have a bunch of coasters here. And it was reindeer just because I got it for like Christmas theme. And then I just have like another candle here. We do have a patio. We haven't really decorated the patio at all. Right now we just have like a table up there and then there's a bunch of like boxes. And then we do have like our washer and dryer in here. We also have this gray and white rug. We got this one from Ruggable. I was like looking everywhere for a good like rug because I knew I didn't want to be spending so much money because my doggy is potty trained, but sometimes she'll have accidents. So this one is actually stainless free, and then you can also detach it from this. It's like a 2-piece, you see, and then you can put this one in the washer machine. So you guys should definitely check that out because it's really good pricing too. And then we have Evie's little corner. So she has her bed, her toys, her blanket, and then that's her. And then behind her we just have this basket where we put all the pillows because we have a bunch of them. So we'll put the pillows here, and then we have another like throw blanket in the back. And right beside it we just have this table going like down the hallway. So up on top we have another wedding picture up there, and then here we have another picture of us. And then I got this gold little holder from TJ Maxx, and then just Jesus's like glasses, and then my diffuser here. And then on the second one it's just more engagement pictures of us, and then another picture. And then I have these two little bunnies that we got as a gift for our wedding for my niece, and then just this like gold ball decor. And then we actually got this table from Amazon as a gift from our wedding registry. So I thought it was really, really nice. Now walking towards the right side, we have our dining area slash kitchen area. So in our dining area, we got this table from Wayfair for a really, really good price, plus the chairs too. And then there's just more candles. So I got this placemat from the 99-cent store, which I thought was really cool. And then I got these ones from Kohl's. So we haven't really decorated too much on the dining area. We are planning to put a bar here in this like empty space, but we're just like looking for the right one. And then we have Evie's like water and food up there. We have these little decor that I showed in my last video that we got from the 99-cent store. And then we have like all of our alcohol here because we're waiting to get a bar so we can put everything in there. Moving here is our kitchen. So starting on this side, we knew we needed more space, like more counter space for us. So we ordered this little table from Amazon, and it was really nice. It was not that expensive, to be honest. So in the first one we have our coffees. We honestly used to have this whole thing filled up, and Sus was like, it should last us like 4 months. Nope, they're almost gone, and we just got it last month. Like everything was so full. And I don't drink coffee, I just drink like French vanilla. Jesus is the one that's like a big old coffee person. And then this one we have our pots and pans top covers. And then down here is my favorite thing. So we did get an organizer because I don't know about you guys, but my mom used to just shove these like under the counter, and it would be so hard to get just one pan because it was like on top of so many. So I told us that we need to get an organizer, so we did. We got this from Amazon, and now our pots and our pans are all in there, all very organized. And then that one's just there. So I think it's so like useful, to be honest. That way my pans and my pots aren't just everywhere. It's just easy access to grab it. So we put that here. Right on top we have like our little coffee bar, you can say. So we have our coffee maker here, and then a bunch of coffee on the side, and then we have our cups up here, which we're actually missing some. We got these little racks from Amazon, and they're honestly pretty sturdy. You only needed like about 2 screws, but Jesus put more just to really secure it. So we have that. We have like his up there, and then like mine down here. We just have like a regular like sink area, and then down here we just have all of our cleaning supplies. And then we have more of the counter space up here. So we have all our glass cups up there. These are kind of like wine glasses, but we use them for like water too. And then this side we just have our rice cooker, and then our Nutribola, and some like of our knives. And then down here we just have our dishwasher that came with the place. Just have like our traveling mugs or our water bottles for when we go to the gym and stuff like that. Our fridge here that came also with the place, so it's really nice. And then we just have this calendar here. It was supposed to be used for like our schedule, but we ended up using it just notes. We write notes to each other, and then the other person has to like try and find it, like a new note, and then reply to that note. So we have that there. So in here we just have all of our spices, and then up here we have a bunch of pasta, and then up there we just have like random stuff. We have like pancake mix, and then we just have like flour and sugar up there. On the bottom we have beans up there. We have like ghee, butter, and then down here we have all our Ziploc bags, aluminum foil, things like that. And then we have our plastic plates down here for whenever we don't feel like washing the dishes, and then a bunch of napkins on this side. We have our spice rack here, the bunch of spices, and then we have our salt and our pepper, and then oil in here. And then Jesus put these little tabs up here because we didn't want these just out there. We wanted to hang them. So we got our little mittens there. So I have this one for when I'm using the iPad and I'm cooking like a certain dish from like Pinterest or something. I'll put the iPad here so I can follow along. This one, we just have like ice scooper, tonsils, pizza cutter, 2 knives. So we have that there. And then down here we have our food containers in the back, our bowls, and then we have like a soup pot in the back. And then down here we have the pasta holder down there, and then like a salad bowl in the back. Up here we have basically our kitchen gadgets. So we have our toaster here, and then we have our panini, and then we have a waffle maker here, and then an air fryer, blender up there. Our stove here, so it is electric, which I'm not a big fan of because these tend to bend with the heat and it becomes so uneven. So up here we have our like thermometer for our meat, and then we have our microwave that came with the place as well, so we have that there. This side we have my like utensil holders, and then we have like sugar, pancake mix, and then coffee mix here. Up here we just have our plates. We got this whole set off our wedding registry from my friend who got it for us. And then up there is like our medicine cabinet. So we have a bunch of our vitamins, our medicines. So that's there. And then we have 4 drawers here. So the first one is just our spoons, our forks, and then our measuring cups here. This one just has more wooden spatulas. This goes with the set. It's kind of like an appetizer. We can put like, let's say we're eating like a mozzarella, we'll put like the marinara sauce in here. We have smaller bowls, and then we made like Christmas cookies. So down here we have some more like food containers, and then like some ice cube makers down here. And on the side we just have our trash can, nothing too exciting. So this is the first bedroom, and we made it into an office. On his side he has just his computer, his anniversary gift that I gave him for our first year, and then he just has like a bunch of like school stuff that he uses when he's in school. He just basically has a speaker, some books, has his Marine Corps like certificate there, and then just some more random stuff. We have my computer, and then I just have like a stapler, just like office things that I'm going to be needing. And then I have my agenda, and then I have my laptop here, and then another planner that I have up here. I have a bunch of folders that we keep like our important things that we're going to need. And then I put up here pictures of Jesus and I. It's just like my graduation picture, and then my diploma. Then I have my books that I've read, picture of Jesus and I have our printer here, and then another bed for Edie because she loves being with us at all times. I have 2 little cabinets. So like I said, we're a bunch of candle people, so we have so much candles. Literally, that's gonna last us maybe like a few months. And then we have some toilet paper, and then some towels whenever we have guests over. So just a lot of like plastic bags that we keep whenever we go to the store. And then we have our first bathroom here. This is like the guest bathroom that we have. So I decorated it just gray and white, simple. Candle again in here. Then some soap and stuff. And there's me. Sometimes I'll take baths because this is a restroom that has like a tub. Ours doesn't. So I have like all of my little bath bombs here whenever I want to take a bath. I give it a toilet, nothing too exciting. And then I have just toilet paper holder in the back. And then I got this from TJ Maxx, so just a fake little plant, some tissue, and then just like a spray. And then the little trash can. That's basically a little overview of the bathroom. So right next to the restroom, we have our bedroom. And our bedroom is honestly humongous. Here's like an overview of it. So I have my ring light on the side whenever I'm doing like videos or my makeup. and I have my vanity set up. So I uploaded my vanity video about maybe like 2 months ago, but I have to make another one because I'm updated my whole desk, to be honest. And I got this long mirror from IKEA, and I have like a furry little mat on the bottom. We just have our drawer. We have another candle on this one, and then just like a card that my niece gave me, so we have that one there. And then we have the same TV that we have in the living room, we also have here. We have a gray lamp on this side. This is a little stand for Jesus. We still need to get him like a lamp, to be honest. I got him a cubics for our anniversary, so when you make it, you basically have like a bunch of pictures of us. And then he has a note that I gave him up there. And we have a bunch of pillows. So we have 2 white ones, 2 like white with like yellow like leaves, 1 long like orangey, burnt orange, and then another 3 in the front, plus like a little third blanket. So I've always wanted a walk-in closet. So this is like Jesus's side, and then this one is my side. So when you come in, I have a bunch of shoes. So I have my shoe rack up there, and then down here I just have like a bunch of random stuff. And then we have our laundry like basket here of darks, lights, and colors. We have Jesus's marine stuff in there, and just a bunch of his pants up there. So we honestly have so much space. We have like so much closet space, which I honestly love. So no one really uses this except for us, obviously. So here we have me again. So on this one, we bought this little like holder from Home Goods, and we have another candle here, his ring, and my jewelry, and then we have just my moisturizing lotion, and then we have our just brush holders, and then also our soap dispenser here. Here I just have, whenever I do masks, I like having a little cup, and then some more lotion. I just have like all my skincare products, and then just like some scissors, and then some like teeth whitening that we use, and just some towels hanging up here. And then we just have our shower curtain, which is just great. I'm trying to switch it up and get another color because I'm just kind of getting over the gray. So that officially completes our apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how we decorated and how we furnished our apartment. It did take some time, but I'm really happy with how we like decorated. We still have a little bit more decoration to do, but for now that's pretty much it. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and comment down below what your New Year's resolution is, because I want to know what you have in mind for this year, of course. And then don't forget to hit that post notification button to get notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys. This buildable, it's medium coverage, but you can build it up because it just goes on my skin so